This is me again. I just wanted to make this video. I installed that Giants Squid Mic, and this is how it sounds. I took out the other mic, the Cena mic, and I put this one in just to test it out. Hopefully you don't hear much wind noise, and you don't hear any crackling or anything. But as soon as I get out of this red light, I can see if there's any wind coming in or anything. So that's what I'm hoping. These mics aren't cheap, but so far so good. I tested it before I left the house, and it sounded really good. It sounded clear, just as clear as the Cena. So once we get going, we'll test for wind. So I have it on automatic, which this GoPro switches from stereo to wind. So we'll see. I know I was kind of quiet a little bit, just riding. I just wanted to enjoy the afternoon. It was beautiful, beautiful weather. Beautiful, beautiful weather. Me, I gotta enjoy it when it comes, when I have the chance, because usually I'm working, and the winter is kind of behind us now. So anyways, here we go. It's windy today also, just like yesterday. So we'll see. I hear it in the helmet. I hear it in the helmet, that's for sure. Hopefully you don't hear it in the audio. But we'll see. It's been windy the last week. It hasn't let up really. The wind isn't even getting in the helmet. It's getting in my eye actually. We'll see. So after this mic, I want to test the next one, which I bought at Fry's Electronics also, like I said in the last video. The next one has a built-in battery that recharges. It's kind of like the Cena, so, but it has a battery. So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna see if it really works with this GoPro. It's another beautiful day here in Houston. You know, I'm doing this because I want to be able to record what I see, you know, like beautiful days like this. An RX-8. I have an old RX-7. But he's getting off work, so Everybody's people not paying attention, worried about what happened today at work. You got to be careful with those people. You got the people that drive. That was rough. You got the people that drive kind of reckless. People not paying attention. I don't know why, but I do feel like this helmet's kind of is shaped a little too big. It's kind of weird. Here we have somebody. Gorgeous, gorgeous day. Have you ever seen the movie called Spaceballs? That's how I feel like with this helmet. Let the shorts be with you. People told me that there are helmets that are shaped, that aren't shaped as big as this helmet. But this helmet is lighter. It's carbon fiber. And I'm up 373 miles so far. I'm trying to get to 500. Hopefully I get to 500. I guess I made it, and this mic worked really good, so this is a good option. Man, this is beautiful right here. But anyways, I hope you guys like the mic, the Giant Squid. I made it here to Sylvan Beach, so I guess I'll let you guys go, and I'll see you on the next one.